Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your UI testing from Cypress to Playwright, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your UI testing from Cypress to Playwright, start by setting up your Playwright environment. Begin by installing Playwright in your project directory using npm or yarn. Run the command npm install playwright or yarn add playwright in your terminal. Next, ensure you have node.js installed, as it's required for both Cypress and Playwright. Once installed, familiarize yourself with the Playwright API documentation. This will help you understand the differences in syntax and features compared to Cypress. Begin by analyzing your existing Cypress test files. Identify key components such as test cases, selectors, and assertions. Create a new directory in your project for your Playwright tests. Inside this directory, create a new test file for your first conversion. Start by importing Playwright testing functions at the top of your test file. Use import, test, expect from @playwright/test. Now, replicate the structure of your Cypress test case in your Playwright file. Replace Cypress-specific commands with their Playwright equivalents. For instance, replace sci.visit with awaitpage.goto. You may need to set up a browser context in Playwright, which differs from how Cypress handles browser instances. To do this, use const browser equals await playwright.chromium.launch. Then, create a new page instance with const page equals await browser.newpage. Next, update any Cypress commands for element interactions. Replace sci.get selector with awaitpage.locator selector. Use awaitpage.locator selector.click for clicking elements. Adjust your assertion methods too. For example, replace sci.should have .text example with awaitExpect page.locator selector.to have text. As you go along, test your Playwright scripts frequently. This will help catch any syntax errors or logical issues early in the process. After converting your test cases, consider refactoring for better organization. Group related tests into a single test suite using test.describe. Utilize Playwright's built-in features like parallel test execution to improve performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.